So this recommendation from the world governing body of football for the issuing of blue cards for the offenses of dissent and cynical fouls, and a blue-carded player will be off the field for 10 minutes. An accumulation of 2 blue cards is a red card, and an accumulation of a yellow card and a blue card is also a red card. I think this is foolishness. Now, first of all, nothing is wrong with the beautiful game of football, not from a technical perspective or from a commercial perspective. Plus, one of the worst components of the modern football is the officiating. A lot of the referees are incompetent and inconsistent and have been exposed as such by the advent of the video assistant referee, VAR, and its frequent misuse. I think there is a clear and present danger of putting more power or influence over the result of the game into the hands of incompetent referees. And this is what this blue card thing would effectively be doing. For me, as the old adage says, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. This blue card idea should I get a red card? Yes, it should have get a straight red card. Oh, the red card there. Red card! Red card for the blue cards.